हेलो नमस्कार, दिस इज सुशांत चोपड़ा फ्रॉम एलिगेंस वीनियर्स एंड हम एक शो लेके आए जिसका नाम है आर्किटेक्ट। where architects discuss about design, details and of course elegance. Today we have a special guest जो एक हमारे बहुत ही अजीज दोस्त है, आर्किटेक्ट इंटीरियर डिजाइनर मनीष कांकरिया सर टुडे एट आवर शो। मनीष सर, हेलो, वेलकम टू द शो। कैसे हो सर आप?
मस्त, ऑलवेज ऑन।
यही एनर्जी सर का हमको बहुत अच्छा लगता है एंड ही इज ऑलवेज एनर्जेटिक एज यू कैन सी। सर, आप इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग कर रहे हो बट यू आर फ्रॉम फैमिली बैकग्राउंड, जो मुझे पता है कि यू आर फ्रॉम बिजनेस फैमिली बैकग्राउंड,
करेक्ट।
एंड दिस फील्ड इज टोटली डिफरेंट फॉर यू। तो आपके दिमाग में ये आइडिया कहाँ से आया, या वो क्या चीज़ थी जिसने आपको इंस्पायर किया और एक डिज़ाइनर बनाया?
It was like a by fluke chance. I was eager to be around this situation. I needed to have one field which was very creative, but not to be known to masses at our time. So मैं किसी के admissions के लिए जा रहा था.
Okay.
So suddenly I got to know about this course. So after seeing the syllabus journey, this was particular for my cousin. So I got in touch with the forum, the work, and by fluke it was a branch of Bhavan's Munshi Marg, Mumbai.
Okay.
So that itself was a very creative aspect, impressive syllabus going on, and then turn out to be like ये अगर मैं इसको पुश कर सकता हूँ, मैं खुद क्यों नहीं जा सकता? That idea changed my life.
That's really amazing. ये उसको ऐसा बोलते हैं ना कि चीज़ें अलग नहीं होती, देखने का एंगल अलग होता है।
बिल्कुल।
तो यू रियली पुट ऑन दैट सर। एंड मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहूँगा कि बीइंग इन दिस फील्ड, जब आप आर्किटेक्चरल और इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन प्रैक्टिस करते हो सर, तो व्हाट इज द की थिंग यू कीप इन माइंड जब आप कोई प्रोजेक्ट डिज़ाइन करते हो या कोई स्पेस डिज़ाइन करते हो या उसको एग्जीक्यूट करते हो, वो क्या फर्स्ट आइडिया आपके दिमाग में आता है?
Our journey is very clear. We have a sole tagline like less is more for us.
Oh, wow.
So we keep our work very, very minimalistic in terms of small thoughts of picking up furnitures and making the space more spacious. तो हर एलिमेंट, हर प्रोजेक्ट को जब हम लोग डिज़ाइन कर रहे हैं
जी,
तो हम लोग ये क्लियरली चाहते हैं क्या जो जगह हम लोग उनको बना के देने चाह रहे हैं, वो जगह में उनको लाने के लिए कुछ चीज़ें एकोमोडेट होना चाहिए।
राइट।
तो ऐसा नहीं है कि विल पुट ऑन एवरीथिंग टू 1 to 10 और वो जब कहीं जा रहे हैं एंड दे विल थिंक कि ये कहाँ हो सकता है।
जी जी।
द आइडिया इज वेरी क्लियर कि हम लोग को उनके लिए भी कुछ स्पेस छोड़ना है। क्या इफ दे आर बाइंग समथिंग, दे शुड गेट इन टू दैट थॉट कि ये जगह है जहाँ पे हम लोग वो रख सकते हैं।
राइट।
सो वी आर नॉट इनटू मेकिंग आवर स्पेसेस क्लटर. We have to keep it very plain, very subtle, and again less is more.
Wow, that's a good thought, sir. And I think minimalistic design जो आप करते हो वो आपका स्टाइल है, वो आपका वे ऑफ वर्क है, that is okay. But फिलहाल according to the architectural journey या आज के टाइम के हिसाब से वो क्या चीज़ है जो आपको कि क्या ट्रेंड है जो आपको इंस्पायर करता है डिजाइनिंग के वक्त? व्हाट इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग ट्रेंड फॉर नाउ इंस्पायर्स यू फॉर डिजाइनिंग?
See, I am a very big imitator. So I am not in a belief that I always see my core loving people in the fraternity, in the industry. So for us, we don't copy any element, don't copy any trend but we do imitate. So we have some great people in our field who are like our benchmark. So we feel very proud that we have a daring to say that we imitate them. So nature is something different कि हम लोग को कुछ नया दिखेगा तो, बट वी हैव पीपल, वी हैव अ लेगेसी इनटू दिस फील्ड ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट 5 decades now that we can follow them in terms of thinking, but at the same time there has to be a signage to my own name.
Right.
That is very clear. So in that forum, whenever we think and discuss design, we are very much, from last 5 years, we are very much thinking design to a very premium stage of designing with adapting styling in that. So we are not only having a perspective of doing your layouts in terms of furnitures, wall paintings. We have a more criteria on giving you more styling impact, more styling terms of decor, that elements and that elevate our design on a very different edge level.
Right. Being into this field, and of course मैम जो है, भाभी जो है, वो भी डिज़ाइनिंग पार्ट, जो डिज़ाइनर लोग रहते हैं उनके लिए कुछ आर्टिफैक्ट्स डिज़ाइनर चीज़ें प्रेजेंट करते हैं. सो कभी आप प्रोजेक्ट करते हो सर, या कोई प्रोजेक्ट में आप काम कर रहे हो, तो आपको ऐसा कभी लगता है क्या कि ये स्पेस मैम के लिए छोड़ देता हूँ, या वो कितना पार्ट रहता है बीइंग अ डिज़ाइनर एंड हैविंग अ फैमिली मेम्बर इनटू दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग? How do you balance this thing?
Very clever question and very deserving thing. See, we as a designer, we know what is our forte. कि हम लोग को कहाँ रुकना है, and we have that clever tint now.
Right.
Like we have given a decade to this industry right now. तो हमको पता है कि यहाँ पे किनको वो forte में अभी elevate करना है. So I am very much fortunate that I have a concerned person who is my wife.
Right.
She is an accessory styler.
Right.
So whenever we are designing a field, a space, whatever project might be, in hospitality, residential, commercial, whatever thing, but as we are onto planning and then going towards the elevation parts, we are very clear कि ये जगह पे हम लोग को रुकना है. We have to adapt that thought. क्या we just have to convey a message to ma'am कि what we are thinking, and she'll give the exact product to it. So again, designing is a very clear job. Innovation is always a clear job, but to implant a new identical piece or a different decor to it makes a difference.
That's true, sir. And hearing to that, I am going to just add on one thing, which is out of the box question, but still मैं आपको पूछना चाहूँगा कि अगर कोई प्रोजेक्ट आप कर रहे हो, उधर स्टाइल एलिमेंट फिट नहीं हो रहा है,
हाँ,
बट फिर भी आपको डालना पड़ा क्योंकि आपको ये लगा कि रात में घर पे जाना है, वापस से बीवी क्या बोलेगी, ऐसा कभी हुआ है सर?
कभी नहीं, कभी नहीं, because we won't say that we are professional with each other, but we have that compatibility.
Right.
कि we have to give the best thing to the project. Nothing is pushed on to us. Ultimately, when we design for some particular project for any type of a client, we are very clear कि पहले हम वो जगह पे है और क्या हम लोग के लिए वो चीज़ फिट हो रही है. तो our ideology is very simple that whenever we are designing a kitchen, we think the part of the female who has been working into that space, क्या उनको क्या अड़चन आएगी. So designing is that thing, you have to wear that footwear into whom you were designing for them.
Right.
So that is very clear. Designing is not pushing anything. It is a very clever job. Okay, we have to wear a shoes what the client is wearing right now. So that keeps us consistent, very much connected to the client, and ultimately that client is like a family turning out at the end of the phase of the designing part.
Right. एंड ये चीज़ सर आपको बहुत हेल्प करती है बिकॉज रिसेंटली जब मैं भी नए घर में शिफ्ट हुआ एंड आई हैड टाइम दैट अपन मिले एंड मैंने आपको बोला कि यार मेरा कुछ स्टाइलिंग करना है एंड यू आर वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड बीइंग अ डिज़ाइनर आई नीड टू टेल यू सर कि बीइंग दैट आई कि आपने जब मैम आए थे घर पे, भाभी आए थे, तो you people did not forcefully give the things, and you being a designer, it really helped people like me also to make the decision fast and easier, and you helped me doing that. So I remember that point. अभी अपना ये जो डिस्कशन हुआ उसके ऊपर से एंड सर आपने इतने सारे प्रोजेक्ट डिज़ाइन किए हैं, आप इतने सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स कर रहे हो, हमारे से भी काम करते हो सर। वीनियर एज अ प्रोडक्ट आपके प्रोजेक्ट में क्या मायना रखता है या क्या इंपॉर्टेंस रखता है सर?
To be very honest, we never looked this field with a product savvy thought. Budget is the mainstream thought when
Right.
we are designing. The budget allows us to turn out our vision towards laminate, veneers, wood, whatever.
Right.
But the main thing is when you handle a product like veneer, it is a very clear thought. It's a premium product.
Right.
So there is no sense of adding more clutter to it. The grains, whatever we love from your studio, like elegance has always helped us with limited edition series, budget savvy things for the clients. But the main thing is veneer is like a gold part into designing part. It has always been an Amitabh Bachchan product and would be always surviving in that sense only, because if we allow good things to come in, the main premium touch is always a part that enhances your project on a very next level, and it is a truth part as you pour money for a premium project or a premium product,
Right.
you get in touch with more elevating things and tagging that project on a very different level.
वी आर enjoying the session sir actually, because बहुत सी चीज़ें समझने या सीखने मिली हमको. And taking this session आगे, we are entering a round second, which is a rapid fire round. I'll ask you some random questions and you need to answer it in one layer, one statement or one liner.
Okay.
Starting with sir, your favorite project, residential or commercial?
Residential.
Lime plaster or wallpaper?
Lime plaster.
Laminates or veneers?
Veneers.
Sir, who is your favorite architect?
My favorite architects are many, but I truly love what Sanjay Puri sirs do, elevating the elevations, the play of shapes, what he does, and it is an inspiring thing. But that is what we see into. We have many things, like we have a duo in Hyderabad, Amir Hamida. They have a daring to play with any type of products which is not a singular term to work on into. It is like a dare part.
So curtains or blinds?
Curtains.
Coffee or chai?
Coffee.
What is your favorite color palette right now?
Olive green.
If not interior designer, then what?
Then a styler, accessory styler.
One of the architectural or interior designer myth you hate about?
There's no myth like that. I love everything because everything is very thoughtful to them, and this doesn't come with a thought which is not working. It is always a thought which is working on the paper, in the mind, like everything.
Okay, that's amazing, and we really had fun, sir, today having you here and discussing and having coffee and discussing things about you, about your projects, and about architecture, about interior designing, about design, and it was a pleasure to have you at our store. Last but not the least, sir, आप इतने बार हमारे स्टोर पे विजिट कर चुके हैं, इतने बार हमने एक दूसरे से काम किया है. We have worked for you for many projects. What is the thing which we should change, or what is the feedback from you for us, sir?
No, in fact, there's no feedback. There's always a feedback. You are very innovative. Your strategies are very well defined, well designed for yourself. Be down to earth. That's it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And I'll definitely keep this in mind and I'll work hard for it. And we'll definitely bring good things, good stuff in your future for your projects, for your thing. And we were pleasure that you've been part of us and being this part of the show and giving us time. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you once again.